Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren. I hope that you're all continuing to stay healthy and safe and well. It is still a crazy time going on right now, so continue to look out for your loved ones, but also those in your community that might need a little bit of extra help. I am going to show you my new handbag. I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I had to film this right away so that I could use this handbag or bag. I know I say bag weird. Everyone always comments on it. I don't know why. I don't think it's a Canadian accent. I'm not sure. So I ordered my bag from Matches Fashion, which is my favorite site ever to order luxury goods. And I have a code down below, which I will leave for you, and you get 15% off, which I think is an amazing savings. 15% off can be quite a bit depending on like how expensive your bag is or how expensive whatever luxury item you're buying is. There are some exclusions, not really brand exclusions, just sort of different items within a brand might be excluded. So you might have to kind of play around. I just want to show you the Matches site and how you could use my referral discount. I am not sponsored by them. I wish I were, but I'm not. I just want to save you some money. So I just created an account and I used my referral, and then all you have to do is you have to enter in my name, which I will leave down below, and then they'll ask you for an email and they'll send you a referral code for 10% off. So I just put in a bunch of different items and I want to show you like the discount on them and one that's not eligible. So this Loewe anagram wallet, you can see right there the price is $5.83 and then you save a $65. And then it works with this sort of suede beautiful crossbody bag by Saint Laurent, which I really like. It's $120 off, and then the Gucci loafers as well, you can save $80. And then here's one where the discount is not eligible, this Saint Laurent bag that you see there. I put in different brands too, like high and low. So these, I think it's Veja. These shoes here you can save, and then this Fendi coin purse you can also save. So you just have to try around different products and see where the discount is applied, and then just know it won't be applied to maybe some items. And you can also go through Rakuten and get 3% back. Here in Canada, it's 3% back. So definitely go and save some extra coin. This took 2 days to ship to me. No, 3 days in total to ship to me, which I find is amazing. And one of the reasons why I like Matches is because the price that you see is the final price that you pay. Like, you're not hit with any additional like hidden fees. Well, you have an option to choose. Like, if you want the duties added on and the taxes added on sort of right away, I always choose that option, so that way when I go to the wherever DHL or Counter Post or whatever, you're just not hit with a surprise, oh, you owe $200 extra in duties. Everything you see, everything is included in the final price that you see, which I really love. And like I said, you get cash back, super quick shipping, you can return, and they refund your duty and your taxes and everything. So that is amazing. All right, so now that I've talked your ear off about Matches and why I love that site, let me show you the bag. Let me reveal it to you. Actually, I don't even need to reveal it because you already saw in the picture, so you know what it is. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but here is the dust bag. In case you've never seen it, it is Balenciaga. It's just plain. This is my first Balenciaga piece. I did get the City Mini. Let me fix that. I did get the City Mini probably a couple years ago, and I didn't keep it just because there was too much hardware and I just felt like it was a bit too flashy maybe for me. So this is my first Balenciaga piece and I'm so excited. So let's open it up. I do have the Matches box, the beautiful box it comes with, but that's in the bedroom. So it just has their sort of code there. It just says Matches Fashion there. And you open it up. So this is it. This is the everyday tote in a size extra, extra small. So the reason why I bought this, honestly, I saw a couple of people with this last year. So Jen G here on YouTube, she has it. And then, oh, I can't remember her name now for the life of me. There's another YouTuber that I watch that also has this. And then I follow this girl on Instagram. Her name is Nathalie Martin. She has the coolest style. Like, I wish I could be her, honestly. She also has a YouTube channel, so I'll link her down below. But she has this, but in like a bright neon pink, and I just love the way she styles it. So yeah, I picked it up. I liked it ever since I saw it. I've liked all the everyday totes. I think they're just really nice basics, but I really like this little mini color. So this color itself, or sorry, I like the mini size. This color is called Mink. I don't know if it's really coming off true to color. I think it is. It's like a beigey, grayish taupe, I would say. I feel like it's a good color to transition through sort of all the seasons. And it's also, as my friend Antonia pointed out, it's really good because it won't show like dirt. Like it's that kind of nice color where it's light enough, but it's also dark enough where it won't show like if it gets any sort of staining or dirt or anything like that. But dimensions really quickly. Let us see, because it says it's like the extra small tote, which is the smallest size, but it's also, I feel, like substantial. You can hold a lot in here. So its width is 7.4 inches. So 7.4 that way. The height is 8.6, and then diameter is 3.7 inches. It is 100% calfskin. They do have other colors too, so they have black and white, which I think they always have, and then the letter, it could either be black or it could be white, and then they do come out with seasonal colors. I've seen like a really cool silver, and like I said, Natalie has that like bright neon fuchsia color, which is so cool. So the price of this, I did get a deal. The cool thing about Matches too is that they have this sort of program called the Curator program. So the more that you buy, sorry, my cat's meowing, the more that you buy, you get to be in different levels, and you get different perks, like different discounts. So one of my discounts was a $300 off purchase of $1,000 or more. So this is regular. It's actually sold out online now on Matches. I just checked. It is $16.05 Canadian or $12.06 American. So I ended up paying with taxes and everything $1,200 for this. So inside, it's just bare bones. Like, I have already taken off this part with the strap because it does have a strap. I did adjust it to like the shortest setting as well, because I'm not gonna lie, I did check this when I first got it just to make sure it's okay, because you always want to check every sort of luxury good and make sure the glazing and everything is fine with it. But it does have a strap, and the hardware on it is silver, which I do like, and especially with the color, I find that the silver is really nice. But the cool part is the inner strap, so the inner part here, you can completely remove the strap if you wanted to, and you could put on like a really cool Balenciaga one if you wanted to. So let me just do this. It's hard to do it because I can't see. So there you go. It just has like that little hook right there, so you can completely detach the strap if you wanted to and put a new one on, or if you just didn't want to have it and just want to carry it as like a little top handle, you could totally do that as well. Let me slip this back on. So inside, it is bare bones. It's just black leather on the inside, and then there is one pocket here, which probably just has the, yeah, so it just has, ooh, what is all of this? It just has the Balenciaga care, and this thing fell. I don't know why they always give you like this random little piece of paper, like different luxury brands, with a bunch of weird codes on the back. So there is only the one pocket on the inside. It's pretty bare bones, but I feel like this would fit a ton. If you do want me to do a sort of a what's in my bag, I can definitely do that. And then it's also pretty bare on the outside, no pockets, no nothing. It's just plain. And then I do really like that the lettering is in black. Like I said, they do have it in white, but some of the Balenciaga bags, like it says it in like giant letters like Balenciaga, and I really didn't want that. I just like how it says the brand, but it's also like kind of understated. Yeah, so if you want to see what fits in here, then leave me a comment below and I will do that for you. I am going to show you sort of what it looks like on my body, and so you can kind of get a reference for sort of my size, and you can kind of see what it might look like on you. But this is it right here, up close and personal. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on. For reference, I am 5'5" and about 115 pounds, so you can kind of get an idea what like this little mini tote looks like on me. All right, so I gotta go really quick because the sun is beginning to set, but this is how I would style it. I dress super casual, so I just have a hoodie, some mom jeans on, my Oswegos, and like a long coat from H&M that I got last year. Now, this is also the shortest setting of the strap, but I do like my handbags to hit really high up on me, but you could definitely adjust it. So it's just so cute, and it's so lightweight. I didn't mention that, it's very lightweight. And if you wanted to actually just carry it as a tote, you could do so just like this. I feel like this is also such a cute look. Okay, so my battery's about to die. If you have any questions, please let me know. Leave them down below. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.